Hello my friends and welcome to Dance with Mark. I'm Mark and together we are going to learn how to become better dancers on the dance floor. Today we're going to talk about a crucial component for all kinds of dancing. We're going to talk about foot connection and foot pressure. So one of the things that make a good dancer really powerful is their ability to use the floor and their feet whenever they're moving. So instead of when you think about taking a step, just moving the spine and having no connection to the floor, a good dancer really learns how to use their feet, including the different parts of the foot for the different purposes. So today we're going to start with a simple exercise all about how to ground ourselves and develop better connection, better strength. So we'll start with our feet apart, and what I want for you to do is we're going to start by thinking about one foot at a time. For me, I'll start with my right foot, and we're going to go through the three different stages of the foot. So the foot can be either flat, it can be on the ball of the foot, or it can go to the tip of the toe and on the inside edge. So if I think about my right foot, right now it's flat. We're going to push it all the way to the ball of the foot, and then we're going to push it a little bit more all the way to the tip of the toe. And right now I'm really trying to roll it in onto the inside edge of my big toe. Now notice how every time I do this, my spine will shift as well. And this is the key. When you want to move your body around the dance floor, you actually don't want to move with the spine necessarily. You want to make sure that you've got some connection to the floor and a movement that comes from the foot. So from here, we're going to think about that right foot for me again, and we're going to go ball of the foot, and it moves my spine a little bit, and then push over complete toe. Then to roll back through, we're going to go through the ball of the foot again, and then place back down. Let's do this one more time. So we're going to go ball of the foot, tip of the toe, ball of the foot, flat. And now we can do it on the other foot. So you're going to go ball, toe, ball, flat. One more time. Ball, tip of the toe, ball, flat. Now you can do this in a few different positions. So you can do the same exercise in forward and back position. So let's, for example, take one step back, one step in front. And all I want you to think about is if your spine right now is in the middle between the 2 feet, we're going to use our back foot to propel our spine forward onto the front foot. So you're going to start on a flat foot in the back, then you're going to push up to the ball of the foot, and then you're going to go all the way to the tip of the toe, inside edge, and then from here, go back to the ball of the foot and back down flat. Let's do this a few times. So we're going to go ball, tip of the toe, and then ball, flat. One more time. Ball, tip of the toe, and then ball, flat. And then we can do the same thing on the front foot, but here we can actually think about moving right through to the tip of the toe. So if my foot is flat in front, we're going to think about pressing and then back down. And you'll notice that every time you do this, your spine moves as well. So your body weight is in between. You press into the floor and you move back on that foot. Again, you go press, move back, press, move back. Okay, so let's go through a simple exercise. We're going to do 8 on each side. I'm going to turn my back to you, and we're going to go from first side to side. So let's start with our right foot. We're going to go 1, up and down, 2, up and down, 3, up and down, and 4, up and down, and 5, up and down, and 6, up and down, and 7, up and down, and 8, up. Hold it at the very top position. Make sure your spine is nice and beautiful. Feel the flexion of the ankle and make sure the inside edge is on, or your foot is on the inside edge. Then roll back down and flat. Now we're going to go with the left foot. Same thing. So we start with the left foot and we go ball of the foot 1, ball of the foot down, ball 2 and down, ball 3 and down, ball 4 and down, and 5 and down, and 6 and down, and 7 and down, and 8. Hold it on 8. Roll into the inside edge, making sure you have a beautiful line on the floor. Stand up nice and tall. Hold, 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 and then release down. Perfect. All right, great job, guys. Now we're going to do the same thing in a forward and back position. I'll start sideways to you, and I'll start with my right foot behind my left foot. So don't take too large of a step. You'll find the right sweet spot for you. I would say to make sure that your feet are not parallel, otherwise you're going to lose balance, but instead they should be slightly turned out with the left foot, or the one that's in front, a little bit ahead. So your heel should be on the line of your back toe, covering it a little bit like this. So as we're moving, we're going to step behind, and we're going to use the back foot for 8 counts. So we're going to go and 1 and down, and 2 and down, and 3 and down, and 4 and down, and 5 and down, and 6 and down, and 7 and down, and final one, you're going to go and 8. Hold it and really feel your leg and foot connection into the ground, and down. Good job. Now we're going to go with our left foot in front. We're going to push back. So we're going to go from here and point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5. And make sure you're pushing into the ground. Point 6, point 7, point 8, and hold 9. I did one extra one. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Feel the tension, feel the tone, and down we go. Let's rotate around. We're going to do one more time on the other foot. So we have right foot is in front now, left foot is behind. We're going to do the same principle. So we're going to start from the back foot, and we're going to go 8 counts. We go ball, tip of the toe, ball, down. Ball, tip of the toe, ball, down. Really feel that it is your foot that is driving your spine. And 3, and down, and 4, and down, and 5, and down, and 6, and down, and 8. Hold it, 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 and come on down. And then we're going to finish with our front foot in front, pushing back. So we start with our right foot pointing, and 1, and 2, and 3, push into the floor, and 4, push, 5, push, 6, push, 7, push, 8, and because we did 9 on the other side, let's do 9. Hold the point as much as you can. And the key here is if I was to come around and to touch your foot, you should have enough connection and pressure into the floor for me not to be able to move it. So it should actually have pressure downward and down. All right, guys, that was a nice, quick exercise that will help you create more connection and more support and stability on the floor. Try it at home, and this is actually a great workout that you can do any time as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and you're welcome to subscribe to the channel for more videos that will help you become a better dancer. Take care. See you in the next video.